Welcome to the shop. Today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the thickness planer. Thickness planer is one of the most used machines in the shop. As the name would entail, it makes things to the proper thickness, but more importantly, it makes your wood parallel. If you went to the time and trouble to make it flat on the jointer planer, then this is the next unit that you want to make that flat piece into a parallel piece of wood for fine woodworking. So what you'll find on this is the blades are mounted over top, and this machine has a pair of rollers that automatically start when the wood is fed in sufficiently. As you can see, they try to make it idiot-proof that you can't fit it in unless the table's to the proper height, and you can only take off about 3 millimeters at a time. All right, so you would turn the stop button on and then push the start button, and then the machine should start up. Again, back to basics. If you push the green button, don't do it a number of times. It's not a count. You have to look at what the other problems are. Dust collector have to be on, and so does the main power. Okay, so we can wind this down and we get it close. You could actually measure this and say it's 1.5 inches, and then look on the dial here and actually set this to 1.5 inches. That would be close, and then what you'd want to do is 1 full revolution per cut. Feed it in until the rollers actually grab it. They'll take it out of your hand, and then it'll feed through. Now you noticed I put this in too far and it doesn't want to come out. There's little fingers in there. They're all little 1/8 blades. And what they do is they hang on to the wood to stop it from going that way. You don't want that to happen. If you're standing here and a board shatters, piece comes out, it hurts, right? So they developed that, you know what, it's not going to let go of the wood once it gets a grip of it, and it'll force it that way. If this does happen and the machine's off, what you have to do is you have to wind it down until those fingers get disengaged, and then you can slide it out. Then you can start at the top again, go up to where you need to be, and plane through. So that's what we call thickness planer. You can thickness plane a piece like this if you've made it square on the other side. I don't recommend you planing a piece that's on an angle like this. There's better ways and safer ways to actually produce your piece.